What's up YouTube? Back at it again with another YouTube video. This is a Nike Air Jordan 12 sneaker unboxing. Conventional Jordan 12 box here. I believe this colorway is called the Black Concord. So that would make this the Air Jordan 12 Black Concord. And if you can't find a pair for yourself, check out the StockX affiliate marketing link in the description to get yourself a pair of these. A nice pair of Jordan 12s in an incredible colorway. Conventional Jordan 12 bottoms right here. Says Jordan 12 back here. Obviously we're going to put these on foot. You can let me know what you think of them in the comment section below. I think these are nice. I mean, they kind of remind me of those black and gold 12s that just came out. But these have a completely different vibe to them. They're very nice. No metal lace tips on these, plastic lace tips. This is like metal lace hooks. Nice pebbled elephant print leather right here. The actual leather on the Jordans themselves. It's got some nice tumble. Got some suede up here in the toe box. Quite nice. Let's pull out the other shoe here in just a second, because we can't call it an unboxing until the box is empty. And by empty, I mean without shoes, because I'm not going to take this out. Carbon fiber print bottoms right here. I need to get myself a pair of Jordan 12s. For a person that's so involved in sneakers, my Jordan collection is a little bit weak. My personal Jordan collection, that is, that's a little bit weak. But I promise to improve if you guys keep watching these YouTube videos, liking, commenting, and subscribing. I'm pretty sure I won't have any trouble. Now remember, the affiliate link to get these is in the description. If you can't find them at a Foot Locker or something like that, or you don't want to leave the house, just click the link and buy it on StockX. It helps out the channel. It is an affiliate link. Let's check these out on foot, and you can let me know what you think. Before we do that, I brightened it up just a second to get you to see how nice this purple colorway is right here. These little highlights really stick out very well right here with the Jumpman logo. Right there with the lace tips. Purple Jordan logo right there. Purple heel tab. Incredible colorway. Let's see how they look on foot. Now these Jordan 12s go really well with jeans, joggers, a lot of different types of clothing. If you're looking for a nice pair of jeans or joggers to go with your sneakers, check out the Amazon affiliate links in the description. Maybe get yourself some Xanaro joggers, some Scotch and Soda jeans, or some nudie jeans. Now in regards to the denim, I like to keep my denim kind of long, so that I can get a lot of this stacking right here. I find this quite attractive on the sneakers. It kind of makes the whole sneaker look a lot better. Let's get rid of these. I'm sure you can agree. A lot of people in the industry, they like this stacking. Sometimes when your jeans are too long, you gotta wear them in a little bit, and the stacking looks a little silly at first, but if you invest some time into them, the jeans will start looking really nice. So again, check out the affiliate links for those. Links are in the description. As you can see here, this pair of Jordan 12s is very nice. It's a great colorway. Not much you can really complain about here. I mean, as Jordan 12s go, this is a nice colorway. There's a lot of colorways of Jordan 12s. The black and gold just came out. I believe the International Flight 12s I have a video on. They're kind of like blue and white. They're not the greatest colorway. That's an example of a colorway I didn't absolutely love. And their resale value reflects that. So if you're looking for a pair of Jordan 12s that you're not actually going to wear, this might be a good idea because, well, these shoes are relatively stable as an investment. As I was saying, great investment, Jordan 12. Had to do a quick little pause there. Great pair of sneakers. If you want to hold them for, let's say, 3 years, I think you'll get a nice 30% return, which is not bad, even if you buy them for retail. Like, as investments go, to make 30% in 3 years is not bad. I think you're supposed to make about 7%. 1 times 1.07. So in 3 years, you're supposed to make about 22.5%. I think this would outperform that. So these 12s are a nice little investment for you, in my opinion. I mean, like, I could be wrong. And I should say that I have no special expertise in regards to investments. So whatever I'm telling you is, there's no reason for you to listen. Great pair of shoes here. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Check out the affiliate links in the description. They really help out the channel, so I can invest in some more sneakers for myself and other things along those lines. Maybe a PlayStation 5 in November. I just feel like this is a nice little PlayStation colorway. Kind of. I guess this should be a little bit more blue than purple. I got reminded of the PlayStations. Before I go, I should leave you with the fact that it comes in a conventional Jordan 12 box. In case you don't know what that looks like, here it is. Quality inspired by the greatest player ever. I'm sure LeBron would have something to say about that. Jordan, Jordan, Jordan. Let's go into some nice Osmo footage of the sneakers. If you want, you can stick around for that. If not, I'll see you next time. Goodbye.